Doctors around the world are talking about this. Not a pill, not a surgery, but 5 simple daily habits that are helping people over 60 feel stronger, sharper, and younger than ever. These are the same science-backed routines keeping men and women in their 70s and even 80s walking miles, gardening, traveling, and living full, vibrant lives. And today, you're going to learn each one, step by step, so you can start rebuilding your energy, your strength, and your confidence right now. Because youth isn't lost with age, it's rebuilt by habit. Problem. Setup. Let's start with the truth. After 50, your body begins to change. You might feel it in your joints, stiffness in the morning, slower recovery after activity, or just a lack of drive. You might notice your energy dipping, your sleep getting lighter, or your memory not being as sharp as before. It's not your fault. These changes happen because the body's natural renewal systems, your metabolism, your hormone balance, your mitochondria, start to slow down. By 60, muscle mass has typically dropped by up to 20%. Your blood circulation weakens, and tiny blood vessels, the ones that deliver oxygen to every cell, begin to fade. That's what aging looks like on the surface. But underneath, something powerful is still happening. Your body is always trying to repair itself. The problem is, most people don't give it the right tools. The wrong foods, too much sitting, poor sleep, and stress. They all block your body's ability to heal and regenerate. But here's the good news. Science now shows that aging is not just a timeline. It's a choice based on daily habits. And if you change those habits even after 60, you can reignite your body's natural healing systems. Scientific insight. Let's make this simple. Inside your body are trillions of cells working 24/7, repairing, renewing, and rebuilding. This process is powered by what doctors call cellular regeneration. When we're young, our regeneration rate is high. Our cells heal fast. But after 40, that repair speed begins to slow, mainly because of chronic inflammation, the body's silent fire that damages tissues. Oxidative stress, caused by toxins, poor diet, or lack of antioxidants. Decline in blood vessel growth. Fewer capillaries mean less oxygen to your tissues. Mitochondrial fatigue. Your cell's energy engines start to sputter. However, and this is key, research by doctors like Dr. William Li, who studies the science of longevity, shows that the body can reactivate these healing systems at any age. Food, movement, sleep, and mindset all send biochemical signals that tell your body it's time to repair. That's what these 5 habits do. They turn your body back into a healing machine. The 5 daily habits that keep you young after 60. Habit number 1. Morning movement that activates blood flow. If you want to stay young, start your day with movement. Not heavy exercise, just movement that wakes your circulation. When you move first thing in the morning, even for 5 minutes, your body releases nitric oxide, a molecule that widens blood vessels and sends oxygen to every organ. Dr. Mandel calls it nature's own blood pressure medicine. Try this simple routine. Stand up tall and take 10 deep breaths. Stretch your arms above your head. March in place or do gentle squats for 1 minute. Then roll your shoulders and rotate your spine slowly. This tiny routine tells your body, the day has begun. Start healing. It boosts blood flow to your brain, muscles, and heart, helping you feel awake, balanced, and energized all morning. Habit number 2. Eat foods that feed your stem cells. Here's what science shows. After age 50, stem cells, the body's repair units, start to decline. But certain foods actually reactivate them. According to Dr. Li's research, stem cell activation happens when you eat specific bioactive compounds found in plants and seafood. Top examples include blueberries, rich in anthocyanins that protect blood vessels. Green tea boosts stem cell growth and lowers inflammation. Fatty fish like salmon or sardines provide omega-3s that nourish cell membranes. Broccoli and cruciferous vegetables contain sulforaphane, which switches on detox and repair genes. Turmeric, with curcumin that calms inflammation and supports joint health. Try including at least 2 of these foods in every meal. Over time, your body will begin to rebuild from the inside out. Your skin, your heart, even your brain. Habit number 3, build muscle, not just strength. After 60, muscle is more than strength. It's protection. It stabilizes your joints, balances blood sugar, and keeps your metabolism young. Here's what's fascinating. Studies show that even light resistance training 2 to 3 times per week can reverse muscle loss in older adults by up to 10% in just 3 months. You don't need a gym. Just simple movements like wall push-ups, squats to a chair, or resistance bands. Start small, 10 minutes a day. The goal isn't exhaustion, it's activation. Every time you move your muscles, they send anti-aging signals to your brain and heart. Your muscles are your body's longevity organs. Keep them alive, and then they'll keep you alive. Habit number 4, restorative sleep and the nighttime healing. Window sleep isn't just rest, it's repair time. While you sleep, your body clears toxins, heals cells, and balances hormones. After 60, many people struggle with deep sleep, often waking through the night. But the real secret is to focus not on sleeping longer, but sleeping better. Here are 3 proven tips. No screens or bright light 1 hour before bed. Blue light stops melatonin production. Magnesium-rich foods like almonds or pumpkin seeds help relax your muscles and calm the nervous system. A cool, dark room triggers your brain's sleep centers naturally. When you sleep well, your immune system recharges, your memory sharpens, and your energy resets for the next day. Habit number 5, daily gratitude and stress. Reset, the final habit might surprise you. It's not a food or a supplement. It's your state of mind. Chronic stress is one of the most powerful aging accelerators. It raises cortisol, weakens the immune system, and shrinks the hippocampus, the part of the brain that controls memory. But gratitude, practiced daily, literally reverses that effect. Studies show that people who write down or think about 3 things they're grateful for each day have lower inflammation and better heart health. So every morning or before bed, pause and reflect on 3 things you appreciate: your family, your breath, your body, your day. That single mental shift lowers stress hormones and activates healing hormones like oxytocin and dopamine. Your thoughts are not just feelings, they're chemistry. Use them wisely. Practical application, how to combine them. Let's put this all together in one simple routine you can start tomorrow. Morning, stretch and move for 5 minutes. Have a warm cup of green tea or lemon water. Breakfast with blueberries, oats, or a boiled egg. Midday, take a short walk after lunch. Have salmon or tofu with vegetables for your meal. Stay hydrated with water or herbal tea evening. Do light resistance training. Just 10 minutes. Enjoy a turmeric-based soup or smoothie. Turn off screens 1 hour before bed. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. These habits are small, but together, they turn on your body's natural longevity switches. They lower inflammation, improve blood flow, and restore cellular energy. Within a few weeks, you'll start noticing subtle changes: deeper sleep, more energy, less pain, better focus. And those changes add up. Closing. Message of hope. If you're over 60, remember this: your body still knows how to heal. Every single day, millions of your cells are renewing. You are not getting older. You are constantly being rebuilt. The question is, what are you feeding that process? Are you giving your body what it needs? Movement, nutrients, rest, and peace? Because it's never too late to start. The moment you begin treating your body with care, it responds. Every deep breath, every healthy meal, every good night's sleep, every moment of gratitude, they all count. So start today, even if it's one small habit. Move your body, sip your tea, take a walk, or smile at someone you love. Your youth isn't behind you. It's within you, waiting to be reawakened, reminding you your body can still heal no matter your age. Feed it well, move it daily, rest deeply, and stay grateful. That's the true science of staying young.